When it comes to looking for a tactical baby carrier, most people would immediately think, oh, it must be the best baby carrier for dad. Well, it's not just that. While the utilitarian and gender-neutral look of a tactical baby carrier appeals to fathers, but moms can use it as well. These baby carriers are usually made to be light, sturdy, practical and, most importantly, support caretaker and baby when setting out on their many adventures. Also, a tactical carrier can keep your baby safe and close to you and leave your hands free. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video I present you best tactical baby gears. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Lils brand. Lils diaper bag for dad can be worn in 3 ways, backpack only, with baby carrier attached, and baby carrier alone. This large diaper bag has spacious main compartment, expandable pockets and 2 outer side bottle holders. A military-grade infant carrier with durable YKK zippers to carry all you and your baby's needs. Daddies on the move can experience hands-free and secured with this baby carrier newborn. This water-resistant baby holder carrier meets all the safety requirements for a baby carrier. Best baby gifts that is suitable for babies of 8 to 33 pounds. Bottom support baby's thighs. It has padded straps, removable waist strap and grip handle for extra comfort in use. Lils front-facing baby carrier for dads comes with a premium quality travel changing pad that can easily be accessed from the men's diaper bag when you're on the go. Give your baby a safe place to relax on as you roll up your sleeves and clean their tushies. Men's baby carrier is the ultimate baby diaper bag backpack for dads. Included in this dad diaper bag a reusable dirty diaper dump pouch Molle. It is designed to conceal diaper odors on this diaper bag. Easy to clean and machine washable. By using this reusable bag we are saving money and helping reduce single-use garbage bag problem at the same time. This military-designed baby gear is indeed the most efficient diaper bag for men. This baby carrier for men gives comfort to a warm weather. It is a lightweight baby carrier that has nice padding. Easy to wear with camouflage print that give comfort and trendy style. Number 4 in our top is from the ActiveDoodie brand. This dad diaper bag comes with a USA flag, Camo Dad Squad, Desert USA flag, Family Strong, Dad Life, diaper wiper and 2 ActiveDoodie patches. Large waterproof camo changing pad is the perfect men's diaper bag accessory. Each ActiveDoodie dad diaper bag for men helps to be organized and practical. Enjoy the features of a man diaper bag built for you. Prep our daddy diaper bags with baby gear like a pro and keep your child's next meal at the right temp with our insulated baby bottle pouch. Each ActiveDoodie diaper bag messenger for dad is ready to go. This diaper bag for dad comes with a diaper pouch giving you easy access to the essentials. This dad diaper bags and dad gear are made with military-grade standards and field-tested by real USA veterans. We are the original do-anything dad diaper bags and as always, we continue with the number 3 that is part of the Boulder Babies brand. No matter what you're facing, from drool, dribble, and spit up to that telltale stinky diaper, you'll be equipped to handle it with this dad diaper bag for men and women. Unlike flimsy or backpack diaper bags, this one's crafted of 900 denier waterproof polyester woven denser and stronger to resist ripping and withstand constant wear. You'll count on this baby backpack diaper bag long after your kids have outgrown their diapers. You never know when you'll have to clean up a mess, that's why this versatile diaper bag for dad and mom includes our exclusive baby wipe dispenser with magnetic close flap. Simply grab a wipe as you need it, the next wipe will promptly pop out for convenient access. With its handy zip pouch for used diapers, roomier side pockets for bottles, and foldable changing pad, our diaper bag for men and women will take you through errands, outings, picnics, beach trips, shopping, dining, travel, and more. You can even use it as a regular hiking backpack. As parents ourselves, we know babies can be a handful, and so can baby supplies. That's why we set out to create a better baby backpack, with longer, wider padded straps plus room for all your tactical baby gear. Number 2 in our top is from the HighSpeedDaddy brand. Inspired by the military-made famous tactical poncho liners that do it all, and a miniature copy of its adult-sized counterpart, the HighSpeedDaddy Baby Woobie Poncho Liner is an essential addition to your baby gear inventory. It's also bound to be your bundle's new favorite blanket. Made of durable and dependable military-grade ripstop nylon, and fully insulated with lightweight yet cozy polyester batting, our Baby Woobie Poncho Liner is the perfect blend between strong and soft. Wrap your babe in the only thing that could both outlast their wonder years and rival your epic snuggles. This Woobies are both lightweight yet thermally insulated for optimum warmth. Water-resistant and moisture-wicking, they prove there's no use crying over spilled milk. Completely free of any of the ties or strings that often typify traditional Woobies, you can rest assured that your baby will be as safe as they are comforted. And finally, the #1 product in our top is part of the TBG brand. Crafted from high-end materials, including 600D tactical polyester and premium hardware. Mole-compatible baby carrier designed for customization with pouches and carabiners. Simplistic, secure cross-strap design distributes weight evenly, reducing strain and making it easy to wear a diaper bag with the carrier. Open back design minimizes heat discomfort when worn for long periods. Interior cushioned with cotton padded, machine washable liner. Also comes with an included shade for sun protection when baby faces towards wearer. When baby is facing out, use the machine washable bib to protect carrier from spit up. Easy to adjust UTX buckles for babies and toddlers 8 to 33 pounds. Baby can face in or out depending on developmental stage. Your baby must face you until he or she is 6 months old, as recommended by the International Hip Dysplasia Institute. Meets safety requirements for baby carriers, ASTM and CPSIA. Features wide, comfort stretch bottom to support baby's hips. Certified as hip healthy by the International Hip Dysplasia Institute. Which tactical baby gear would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.